just spawned in Beast One somewhere. I don't have anything on. Where's that bed? Where's that guy? Where am I? I just spawned in Beast One. I didn't complete Star Journey 5. How to split open? You saw my last video. Looks like on it gathered up all the bears, even the event bears who use this truck to pull the lid off. Ah! Those are beards. Okay, I'm not gonna read that, blah blah blah. This is new. It is for custom showcase. I've never been in here before. But like one other time. All the things, let's see. Alright guys, shout out to them for being what things. All of things. I'm not ready for that. I'm proud. I played one at a time and I take forever looking for all of them. The bit I really want in from all these is what on it be. Hang on. That's it. What on it be? There's and there's the bird up here. Hang on. There. I want the TGB, that guy, and thanks me. This tree. This tree. This is a custom showcase, I think. Walk up these weird stairs. Ugh. Emperor Scorpion, Queen Ladybug, Spider Queen. Oh yeah, I just forgot to mention. These little things are the amulet. So that's the amulet. Amulet is the biggest one. Yeah. Oh. Amulet. Hang on. Mantis Lord. Mainland. Worm. Kryptonian worm. Blue worm. Red worm. Crystal worm. Techno worm. Light ant. Queen ant. Huh. All the new bosses we're going to be adding in the game. Remember Scorpion been here for a while. I know for a fact. Just can't wait to get the oh, whatever. I will be right back, guys. I'm back. Yeah. God. Okay. No, I have some. One thing. Yay. Boots, basic boots. Oh, I can't wait for that. Ultron boots, yes. Porcelain shovel. Ooh, sprinkle no techno. Ooh, porcelain shears. Bubble try round. The flaming safe. Ooh. I can't really read that. Ant fire sprinklers. Gummy belt bag. I can't wait for that. Mini sprinklers. Blue sprinklers. Red sprinklers. White sprinklers. Ooh. This is nice. I can't wait for. Oh, Photon Mask Gummy Man. Gummy Soda. This is what I'm excited for. All the way back down. I'm excited for the Vicious Boots, the Photon Boots, the Porcelain Shovel, the Porcelain Shears, these two things for HQs, the Gummy Belt, the Blue Sprinklers, and the Mini Sprinklers, Vicious Mask, Photon Mask, all I want. Na. 6 minutes. Yeah, whatever. I want Romantis Lord, Emperor Scorpion, and Queen Ant. I'm excited when these guys are going to be spawned in the game. Now, one. I just can't wait for Vicious Boots, Photon Boots, Porcelain Shovel, these two things. Gummy Belt, this one, these Mini Sprinklers, Big Mash, Photon Mash, and Gummy Card. I can't wait for these to be in the game! Nice knowing you. My name is The Gaming Pickle, my channel. I don't know how good it is. And if you want to see my Beast One videos, I probably go at least 2 videos a day, which is pretty good. Maybe even 3. That's just me. But guys, thank you so much for watching. See you all soon. I don't know. Dinos. See you on the Gaming Pickle. Don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe, hit the notification, hit the bell for notifications if you like this channel. And bye. See you and